Well, counselors will be on hand at schools in Wayne Township this morning after two of their students were killed in a crash.
This crash happened yesterday night, killing a 16-year-old girl and her 12-year-old brother. Our Anna Carrera is out at Ben Davis this morning for us. And Anna, the school says this is obviously a huge loss to the community.
Yeah, absolutely, Ben. How could it not be? I mean, class starts in just a couple of hours here at Ben Davis, and I wonder how many parents are worried about sending their kids driving to school today. That 16-year-old was driving the car that crashed when she died yesterday, and her brother was there too, and her friends and classmates are certainly going to be coming here with heavy hearts this morning. Now, here's what we do know about this crash. It happened on the west side of town on Washington Street, west of Girls School Road. Now, we still don't know exactly what led up to it, but we know it involved two cars, and you can see the damage there. The teen and her younger brother were there inside. Now, the driver of that other car was taken to the hospital, but should be okay. The Wayne Township superintendent actually went to where the crash happened. He says the community is devastated by this loss. The two kids involved were very active in their schools and were respected by their peers. Now, another woman, a nurse, was actually two cars behind their car when this crash happened. She and several others went to try to help when this happened, but when they realized there was not much they could do, she wanted to stay there by their side.
Sad, heartbroken, but glad I was there so they didn't have to be alone. Show the family that their children were not alone. I had hopefully provided comfort to them in their passing.
Now, people on social media have been sending their thoughts and well wishes as well. Ben Davis, of course, has seen its share of tragedy just in the last year. Last spring, a car crash on 70. Two kids died, three other kids hurt who were either current or former students. But certainly these people know how to rally and pull themselves together. Today will be a tough day, but they're here. The counselors will be here, and I'm hoping to stay strong together. Guys.
All right. Yeah, such a sad situation there. Anna, thank you.